Aloha again. We were just talking about the beans on this branch. I did also want to just open one up for you. Again, this is a red cherry. It could be a little bit riper. This is still just ripe, but if you open it up, you can see inside the coffee bean, and it almost always comes in a pear, which is two halves. And this is what you'd be very familiar with. If you can imagine a roasted coffee bean, that's what that would be. Now, sometimes they are a whole, and if they come as a whole, that's a pea berry. But this is what would be standard. Probably 5% to 7% of your farm might be pea berry. The rest would be like this. What we do is once these are picked, we mulch them within 12 hours of the picking, and we ferment them. So basically what's happening is that skin will come off. There's a fine little mucus here, and that mucus will also come off. And at that point, we put them out on the drying deck, and we do by hand about a week on average would be the dry, and we rake it every few hours, and it sun dries, and you need to get that down to about anywhere between 9 and 13% humidity. We try to do right around 10.5%. Anything too dry, it becomes too brittle. Anything that's has too much moisture in it would be susceptible to mold over time. So it's very important to get the right humidity, and that's part of the process. These actually taste really good. I'm not going to eat the whole thing, but you can actually suck on this. A little bit sweet, so you can taste the sugars in the coffee, and a very earthy flavor. So just the beginning of that coffee flavor. And I'll give you one more video soon. Thank you.